Shenzhen Haochuangyi Technology Company Limited, established in 2013, with 2,500 square meter buildings, located in Shenzhen, is a professional, high-tech enterprise with independent research and development, product lines, marketing, after-services department. Our H96 Max and H96 Mini brand Android TV boxes are CE, FCC, RoHS, and etc. certificates approved. By adhering to the corporate core values of quality, innovation, efficiency, service, we won the support and trust from customers all over the world. Quality, service, profession, and innovation are our aim. All steps from raw materials to procurement, production, testing, selling, and after-selling service, and under control with a very strict quality monitoring system. Based on the strong research and development capability, rich industry experience, deep understanding of customers' needs, we established a mature and advanced product development system, strict quality testing process, a worldwide supply chain, and professional sales team, and create every product with ingenuity. We have served more than 3,000 customers from 106 countries, especially in USA, Russia, Europe. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a good reputation among our customers because of our intimate services, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers, establish cooperation, and create a bright future with us together.